One of the most frequent questions I get is, does abstaining from sexual intercourse before a fight help or hurt your performance? The general consensus amongst like 95% of coaches and fighters that I know is it's essential to maintain your aggression, keep that killer instinct sharp, and keep your legs under you to abstain for at least a little while. They would say a week or two is good if you're fighting a 3 or 4 round fight. If you're fighting a 10 or a 12 round championship level fight, 6, 4, 8 weeks, everybody's different. I think it depends on your testosterone levels because that's case by case. I can tell you that I'm always a lot more aggressive if I wait a few weeks. You know what I'm saying? If I don't do nothing for a few weeks, I feel like killing somebody. On the flip side, who the fuck wants to have a fight right after you have sex? Some scientists think that it's inconclusive, that there's no evidence that your aggression levels go down. But then again, they're scientists. I mean, what do they really know about fighting? I know I sound ignorant, but my personal instincts tell me that abstaining is definitely beneficial. But on the flip side, if you wait too long, I think it can make you too aggressive and cloud your judgment. But that's just my personal opinion. It's case by case. I tell my guys, experiment, have sex the day of a hard sparring session, see how you do. Wait a few days, wait a week, try out different timetables and see what works best for you. Anyway, that's my personal take on it. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. Online courses out now. Link is in the description. Till the next time, we out of here. Out.